Hey everyone, in today's video we'll be talking how to save money on flights using a WayAway promo. Now, let's just say you are already onto their platform or applications. There are two ways to have a promo. First is to download the application directly to your phone. It'll be on a WayAway Plus. You'll be able to have a cashback. Or you can also add a specific location and search for a specific place. Now from here, we can find different kind of promos, changes in prices, including time, date, and a different kind of tickets. All we're gonna do to have a specific promo is to choose the specific cheapest one. In our case, I'll be choosing this one. And now from here, we can see all of the informations from the trip.com promo and also from the My Holidays. Click on buy and you'll be able to have a ticket with the lowest price. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and I'll see you into the next one. Thank you for watching.